The storm hit us on Friday, September 27th.
This small creek grew to about 10 feet. So the water's up to here, so they literally swam next door.
During Helene, the water got up. It got up probably 2 feet tall through my whole house. Lost most everything I had. Without beloved Asheville, I don't know what I'd do. They put a new roof on my home. Now they're completely gutted the house. They've got the new subfloors in.
We just finished our 100th major home repair or rebuild post Helene. We had lots of AARP volunteers that were engaged with us.
People just showed up to help. Right after the storm, we met with members of local government, and we said, what were the gaps?
When you have a disaster on this scale, communicating with people and letting them know what resources there are is a really big challenge. And you have to have organizations like AARP that can help figure out solutions to these challenges.
In our community, AARP does a great job of connecting the dots between housing and health and policymakers, and really helping us think about how we build a community that's really friendly to older adults. In the immediate aftermath of Helene, what was helpful is that we already had that age-friendly lens kind of baked into the way we do our work, so that it was kind of just muscle memory when we started doing disaster repair.
Although it was devastating, I would say one of the silver linings is that we have an opportunity to leverage very large amounts of federal funding to build housing, all kinds of housing.
You maybe need a house that doesn't have stairs in it, especially as you age. You might need to be closer to the grocery store, closer to a transit line. And we as a community need to be willing to create those housing choices and options.
We have an opportunity here, and this crisis is an opportunity to rebuild in a way to make our community a better place to age.
Having advocacy organizations, groups like AARP, who can rally a larger base of support is really important.
With AARP, I have this sense of, hey, I'm doing something good for the community. Being in an area that was impacted by the hurricane, I've got people who care, who are around me. It's just really comforting.
When Helene hit, the last text I received on my phone said, I'm sorry to tell you this, but your bridge is gone. And that was the only way to get in and out of my house. And I had a 6-year-old, and I had to just kind of figure that out. But when I did walk through the water to get to the other side of the bridge, the neighbor was there. To me, that really gets deep into what community's all about. That's the aspiration I have, for all communities, is that we can get to the other side. Yeah.